In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite teammates to Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your colleagues can join your workspace and start collaborating right away. Begin by opening Asana and heading to your homepage. This is your main hub where you'll see recent projects, tasks, and quick navigation. If you're not already on home, use the left sidebar to get there. It's the easiest place to start and ensures you're working in the correct area of your account. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar for the Teams section. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge or click the expand icon so you can see the full list. Teams help organize people, projects, and permissions, so make sure you're selecting the team or space where you actually want these new members to collaborate. From that sidebar, click on My Workspace. This opens the workspace view and settings that control who can access things inside the space. If you work across multiple workspaces or organizations, take a second to confirm you're in the right one to avoid inviting people to the wrong place. At the top, open the Members tab. This tab shows everyone who currently has access, their roles, and often their status. It's also where you'll manage invitations and remove access later if needed. Think of this as your roster and gatekeeper for the workspace. Now, click Add Member. You'll typically find this button near the top right of the Members page. Clicking it opens an invitation field and any relevant options for access and messaging. In the invite field, add team members by name or email. If they're already part of your directory, start typing their name and select the correct person. Otherwise, enter their work email address. Use company emails when possible to ensure they join as full members rather than external guests. Depending on your plan, you may see options to include a short welcome message or choose basic permissions. Keep messages concise and point them to a first project or task to help them hit the ground running. When you're ready, send the invite. You'll see new entries appear as pending until the person accepts. If they can't find the email, have them check spam or search for Asana. You can always return to the Members tab to confirm status, resend an invite, or fine-tune access later. That's it. You went from home to team into My Workspace, opened the Members tab, clicked Add Member, and added teammates by name or email. Happy collaborating in Asana.